Right, we're making the Grey Goose orange vodka jelly for the dark chocolate cheesecake. We need orange juice, 1.25 liters. They're gonna get reduced down to 500 milliliters, which I've done already. Then we soak 5 liters of gelatin in cold water, which takes approximately 3 minutes. And then we will add the soft gelatin into the warm reduced orange juice. We will add the vodka into the orange juice and put everything into this tray lined with cling film. Right, our orange juice is reduced now. The gelatin leaves are soft. We're going to squeeze them out. Don't want any water more in there. Put it into the orange juice. It's going to dissolve. You add all your orange vodka. As soon as the gelatin is dissolved, you can fill the whole mix into the tray and put it into the fridge to chill. That's it. Right, next is our dark chocolate cheesecake. The ingredients for that is the dark chocolate, mascarpone, cream cheese, sugar and double cream. For the base, we're using biscuits. Digestive biscuits, which we ground up, and we mix soft butter into the biscuits to make the base. So, right, we melted the butter. We add the melted butter into the biscuit crumbs. We mix everything. And once that's nicely mixed, it can go in the tray, lined with cling film. That's our biscuit base. Right, the chocolate is going into a bain-marie. Add all the chocolate. Right, after we melted the chocolate, we add the sugar. We add all the mascarpone. We add all the cream cheese. We start mixing it up. Right, now we have the cream. We add the cream into our mixed cream cheese chocolate mix. Carefully start whisking it up. Right, the mixture is ready. It's going on top of the biscuit base. Everything on top. And evenly spread it out.
Yeah.
Right, our mix is in the mold now. Now we're using a hot palette knife. And we flatten the top. Once that's ready, we're going to chill it for about 2 hours. Right, we have an orange for the garnish. Take the skin off of the orange and slice it into small julienne for the candied orange zest. And we will cut the segments as a garnish for the jelly. This is the dark chocolate cheesecake. After we chilled it, just taking it carefully out of the mold, using a hot knife to start slicing it into portions. That's the orange vodka jelly. It's set now. We're taking it out of the mold and starting to slice it into portions. Right. This is the plating of the dish. Jelly on the plate. Cheesecake next to it. 3 orange segments going on top of the jelly. Piece of mint. and a kernel of some vanilla whipped cream on top of the cheesecake. With some candied orange zest on top.